Hi, greetings to you all. This is Net Solution, and this video tutorial I'll be showing you guys the easiest way you can write arithmetic formatter. Okay, how you can write arithmetic formatter easily, very easy. Okay, without even having much knowledge on coding, on programming, or without even taking the classes on the free code camp on the scientific computing with Python. Okay, without even taking the classes. With these steps you can be able to write all their projects without even taking their classes. Okay, I will show you guys the easiest way. In the next 5 minutes time you'll be through. If you follow this step, highest 5 minutes time, highest. If you are too slow, 5 minutes time, you'll be through and submit your assignment. Okay, I'll be showing you guys the way you can do it. Okay, here in my free code camp, in case if you don't know about them, free code camp, they normally provide video tutorials and things about software programming and many other things. Okay, and they are giving free certificates once you take their courses, and then they test you by giving you a project and you pass the project, then the certificate will hand it over to you. And what I'm about to show you now is one of the projects, okay, that they are giving out. You can complete the project and then request for a certificate. Now I'm showing you guys how you can write this project without even having any knowledge on programming. I'll show you guys how you can do that. Okay, now here is it. As you can see, this is one of the questions on arithmetic formatter. This is one of it. Okay, this is one of the question. Just take their courses and then come here to write the arithmetic formatter. Okay, this is one of the project they gave. They give about 5 projects. If you complete them, then the certificate as a programmer will be given to you. Okay, now I will show you guys how you can write that project without any knowledge on programming. Okay, now they say you should click here. You will be working on this project with our replete starter code. Okay, now I click there and wait for it to open. Okay, now the thing is loading, but I'm not going to advise you to use this process. Okay, I'm not going to advise you. Why I'm not going to advise you is because knowledge is power. It is good you struggle and learn how you can code it, then code it on your own, so next time in case such thing was given to you, you can be able to defend yourself. Because if you take the shortcut and do it, if the question repeats maybe somewhere else or any other place, you might not be able to cover it up because you use the shortcut to take the assignment. Okay, but I'm showing you this so that you not fail the project. You can know about it, then once the code is given to you, you can study more from it. Okay, now they have imported it. This is the language Python. Just click on import. Okay, click on import. But I'm showing you guys this so you can be able to try and generate the code from here, then paste it, and then everything will move successful. Okay, now let us move on. But I'm not advising you to use this process so that you will not be able to deceive yourself, because while using this process you will deceive yourself. You will not struggle to learn coding, rather you decide to do it this way. Okay, but this step is more okay, so that whenever you are coding and then miss a problem, you can use this step and then correct the issue. Now let us move on. I'm importing the project. Okay, here is the project. First, here is the arithmetic. Here is where you will be writing your code. Okay, here is the function. All your code will be written in here. Okay, then here is the main.py. This is what we run. When you run this, the main.py will run, and then check the code you entered here and use test model to test it. Okay, now this is everything. Now let me show you guys how you can write in a block of code here without having knowledge as a programmer, without having knowledge on arithmetic formatter. In the next 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, you will be done. Okay, now what you need to do is you have to use ChatGPT to write the code. Okay, simply type in chat.openai.com. okay, okay, now it has opened. This is my ChatGPT. Okay, here's my ChatGPT account. Right here we are going to paste the assignment here, and ChatGPT will do it for us. Just say I have a Python project for you to do. I have a Python project for you to do. Then hit on enter. Okay, it says of course I'll be happy to help with your project. Okay, now it says you'll be happy. We are going to copy the question or the question. Okay, the question starts from here. A student in primary school often arrange arithmetic problems vertically to make them easier to solve. For example, this. Okay, we'll copy all of this. We'll copy all of this. We are not going to copy the submitting. The code ended here. Okay, now once I copy this, I press Ctrl C to copy, or you can right click then click on copy. Okay, now I have copied this. I'll come back to ChatGPT and paste the code. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT is writing the code for us. It's writing the code for us. Okay, now ChatGPT is done writing the code, but we are not sure if this is gonna work until we do some other things. Okay, but first let us test this. You can just copy this, copy it, come back to your arithmetic formatter, remove all these things, click on just paste on the center. Okay, I've pasted the code. Now if you go up, the function is in two forms. Okay, remove the first one, which was the one they created for you. Now go back to the downside. Okay, you see return arranged problems. Okay, you should remove this one, but yet it will not work. Okay, hope you understand what I did. I removed the function they write for me and the return which they write for me, which was there in default. Okay, if I should go back so you will understand more, this is what I removed. I removed these two. Okay, then I pasted the new one which I copied. Okay, here is it. Now if I should run this, let's check if it will work. Okay, first we need to do something here. They said on .reply.com use run command, then click on done. Okay, let's run this and then see what will happen. No model named by test. This is an error message many of us will be getting. Now what this thing means, there is no model named PyTest. We need to install PyTest in our program. Okay, that's what it means. No model named PyTest. Okay, now to install PyTest, go to shell, then type in pip install PyTest. Okay, click on enter and wait for it to install. Okay, the thing is installing. Okay, the installation is successful. Now let's run this once more again. Okay, the thing worked, but it gives us error. Okay, these red ones means you failed them. Okay, you see 4 failed, 6 passed. You failed 4 and passed 6. Okay, this is the code ChatGPT reads for us. We failed 4 and passed this. Now I want to pass all of them. How are we going to do that? To make ChatGPT to be more accurate, what you need to do is to come back here, come here on the main.py, click on it and copy the code here. Ctrl C to copy. I've copied it. Then go back to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT know that you are going to provide some code from main and test model. Okay, then using the two options, using the two, the main and the test model, using them, then the ChatGPT will generate the arithmetic formatter for you using that too. Okay, I have a main.py and a test model. Here the test model main.py, okay, and a test model associated with the arithmetic formatter. Now forget about this thing, provide the main and the test model for them. Now I'll copy the main and then paste it. Give space and let the ChatGPT know that this is the main. This is the main. Okay, go back and copy the test model. Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl C to copy. I've copied it, then come back to ChatGPT. And paste that. Then hit enter. It says, looks like you provided a series of test cases using PyTest to validate your arithmetic arranger. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to tell ChatGPT to regenerate the code for arithmetic arranger using the test model and the main.py. Okay, regenerate the arithmetic formatter using the main.py and the test and the test model .py. Okay, regenerate the arithmetic formatter using the main.py and the test model. Okay, now once I hit on send and wait for it, sure, it is now creating the main code for us. I believe that this will work. Okay, please replace the placeholder with your test case in the test model.py file. Let's try. Let's copy this, then come back here and then arithmetic, Ctrl A to copy all, delete them, and then Ctrl V to paste the one we have gotten. Now let us click on run. Okay, you can see here it worked. You see 10 passed in this. Okay, we passed all of them, we didn't fail any. There's no red mark here, you can see it. This is the easiest way you can write your arithmetic arranger. Okay, in case you are facing an error, maybe you are coding and you're facing an error and then you wish to correct that, this is the easiest way. If you use ChatGPT, it will help you to detect the error and then tell you what to do on that. Okay, ChatGPT should be your friend as a beginner. It should be your friend as a beginner. So, but I'm not encouraging you to just do the assignments on ChatGPT and paste it here. Please, I am not encouraging you on that, because you might meet this somewhere, and without you having the knowledge on how to do it, tomorrow if you meet this, you don't know what to do about it. Okay, just follow this up and add it up with the knowledge you have on programming, so your coding will be accurate. Okay, thank you guys for following me up. This is Net Solution. Please, if you find this video helpful, click on that like button. That is how you can encourage me. Click it now, click that like button now. Okay, click the like button. And if you wish to follow me, if you wish to know more tutorials, to receive more tutorials, free tutorials, you can follow me up. Okay, to follow me up, it is not a must. Okay, it is by choice. If you wish to follow me up, you can click on that subscription button. It is for free. Okay, subscribing is for free. You don't have to pay for subscription. Just click on that subscription button, and also click on the drop down arrow and click on all. Okay, click on the bell icon. Okay, so you'll be notified whenever I upload such wonderful video like this. Thank you guys. And then the link for this video, the main one where I did this arithmetic assignment, is in the description. Okay, in the description you will see a link of how I did this arithmetic formatter without this step. Okay, I will teach you how you can do the arithmetic formatter without you wasting your time or wasting your knowledge to do this way. Okay, go to my description, the link is there. Arithmetic formatter is there. Through the link I teach how you can do this. I'll make sure you understand it, and then all the error you might encounter there, I showed how you can solve the errors which you might encounter on your arithmetic formatter. Thank you guys, and then meet me up in my next video.